Ever pondered the unique differences between the islands in Hawaii? Well, today we're going to dive into that very topic. Hawaii, the Aloha state, is more than just a popular vacation destination. It's a magical archipelago, a cluster of islands each with its own distinct personality, culture, and charm. When you think of Hawaii, you probably imagine palm-fringed beaches, hula dancers, and magnificent volcanoes. But did you know that each island has its own unique identity? From the bustling city life in Oahu to the tranquil beauty of Kauai, the Hawaiian Islands are a treasure trove of diversity waiting to be explored. Now you might be wondering about the time in Hawaii. Well, Hawaii operates on its own time zone, Hawaiian Standard Time, which is 10 hours behind Coordinated Universal Time. So, if you're planning a trip from the mainland, be ready for a bit of jet lag. But don't worry, the breathtaking views and the aloha spirit will make it all worthwhile. Speaking of planning a trip, there are numerous travel agencies like Costco Travel that offer comprehensive travel packages to Hawaii. Whether you're into travel nursing or just looking for a non-stop travel experience, these agencies can help you plan your dream vacation right down to your travel bag. But Hawaii is not just about the beaches and the resorts, it's also about the culture. Each island has a rich history and a culture that is deeply rooted in the native Hawaiian traditions. From the Hilton Hawaiian village Waikiki to the private resorts scattered across the islands, you will find a touch of the local culture everywhere you go. So the next time you're planning a vacation, why not consider Hawaii? With its diverse islands, rich culture, and resort accommodations, it's the perfect place for an unforgettable holiday. And remember, whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-timer, there's always something new to discover in the Aloha state. So buckle up as we embark on an exciting journey to explore the Hawaiian Islands. First stop, the Big Island, a place where you can witness the raw power of nature. The Big Island, also known as Hawaii Island, is a marvel of natural beauty and wonder. Uniquely, it's home to one of the world's most active volcanoes, Kilauea, which has been continuously erupting since 1983. This gives us an extraordinary opportunity to witness the raw and untamed power of nature, as new land is constantly being created right before our very eyes. The island's volcanic activity has carved out a landscape that's unlike anything else you'll find in Hawaii, or even the world. From the hardened lava fields to the lush rainforests, every corner of the Big Island has a story to tell. It's a place where you can hike through a crater in the morning and then relax on a black sand beach in the afternoon. But the Big Island isn't just about outdoor adventures, it's also a place for luxury and relaxation. For instance, the Hilton Hawaiian village Waikiki offers resort accommodations that are simply unparalleled. Nestled amidst the island's stunning natural beauty, this resort provides a tranquil escape where you can unwind and rejuvenate after a day of exploration. One unique aspect of the Big Island is its healthcare system. Here, travel nursing is a popular profession, allowing healthcare professionals to combine their love for travel and their passion for helping others. This is thanks to the island's diverse environment, offering a variety of settings from rural to urban, making it an ideal place for nurses seeking a unique professional challenge. The Big Island also boasts a rich culture that's deeply rooted in its history and traditions. From the ancient petroglyphs etched into lava rocks to the modern-day hula festivals, the island is a living testament to the resilience and creativity of the Hawaiian people. So, whether you're a thrill seeker looking for your next adventure, a luxury traveler seeking resort accommodations, or a healthcare professional interested in travel nursing, the Big Island has something for everyone. The Big Island, a place where nature's drama unfolds before your very eyes. Next, we fly over to Maui, the Valley Isle, a paradise for beach lovers and water sport enthusiasts. Imagine a place where the azure ocean meets the sky, where the sun kisses the sand, and where the waves whisper tales of the deep. Welcome to the beautiful beaches of Maui. Each grain of sand here holds a story, a memory of laughter, joy, relaxation, and pure bliss. If you're one for adrenaline, the opportunities for water sports in Maui are infinite. From surfing atop the rolling waves to diving into the heart of the ocean to meet its colorful inhabitants, Maui offers it all. And if you prefer a calmer interaction with the water, perhaps a paddleboarding session at sunset or a leisurely snorkeling excursion could be your cup of tea. But Maui isn't just about the beaches and the ocean. The island is home to a rich culture that permeates every aspect of life here. It's in the food, the art, the music, and the warm smiles of the locals. It's in the hula dancers swaying to the rhythm of the ukulele, and the lei makers weaving fragrant flowers into garlands of aloha. The culture of Maui is a tapestry of vibrant colors, woven together with threads of history and tradition, creating a masterpiece that is as captivating as it is diverse. When it comes to accommodations, the resorts on the island leave no stone unturned in making your stay a memorable one. From the Hilton Hawaiian village Waikiki to private resorts nestled in secluded corners of the island, the choices are plentiful. These resort accommodations offer world-class services and facilities, ensuring that your Hawaiian holiday is nothing short of perfect. And for those wondering about the logistics of getting to this paradise, fret not. With numerous travel agencies offering non-stop travel options to Maui, your journey to this island will be as smooth as the tranquil Hawaiian waters. In the words of a clever Hawaiian proverb, "Aohe pu'u ki e ke ho'a'o ia e pi'i," which means, no cliff is so tall it cannot be climbed. So pack your bags and let the journey to Maui begin. After all, time in Hawaii is time well spent. Maui, an island that never fails to enchant its visitors. Welcome to Oahu, the gathering place, an island that perfectly blends modernity with tradition. This is a place where the past and the present unite, where the city's hustle and bustle meets the serenity of the ocean, where skyscrapers stand tall against the backdrop of majestic mountains. Oahu is the heart of Hawaii, a melting pot of cultures, as diverse as it is vibrant. Here, Polynesian roots intertwine with Asian influences and American modernity, creating a unique cultural tapestry that's reflected in everything from the food to the music, from the arts to the aloha spirit that greets you at every turn. But it's not just the culture that draws people to Oahu. The island is also home to some of the most luxurious private resort accommodations in the world. Imagine waking up to a stunning ocean view, strolling along a private beach, or lounging by a pool under the tropical sun. Whether it's the renowned Hilton Hawaiian village Waikiki or a secluded beachfront villa, there's a perfect place for everyone. And for those who crave the city's energy, Honolulu awaits. It's a city that never sleeps, with non-stop travel opportunities to explore everything it has to offer. From the high-end shops of Waikiki to the historic sites of Pearl Harbor and Iolani Palace, the city is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. For those considering a longer stay, or perhaps even the pursuit of education on this beautiful island, the Infinite Campus Hawaii offers a diverse range of study programs. It's a chance to immerse yourself in the island's culture while furthering your knowledge and skills. And yet, despite the modernity and the buzz of city life, Oahu hasn't lost touch with its roots. The traditional Hawaiian values of respect, love, and unity are still very much alive, echoing in the waves, the winds, and the hearts of the people. Oahu, where the old and the new coexist in perfect harmony. This is the gathering place, a destination that's as rich in experiences as it is in beauty. So pack your bag, get in touch with a trusted travel agency like Costco Travel, and let the adventure begin. From the moment you set foot on Oahu, you'll understand why it's known as the heart of Hawaii. Our final stop is Kauai, the Garden Isle, a place that seems to have sprung from a dream. This lush emerald wonderland is often referred to as the Garden Isle for its verdant landscapes and tranquil waterfalls that seem to whisper the secrets of the island. Here, nature and culture intertwine in a graceful dance, creating a paradise that is as nurturing as it is breathtaking. Kauai is also home to the DCA Hawaii, a beacon of information and support for those who visit this dreamy haven. It's like a clever Hawaii travel agency, guiding you through the enchantments of the island. And let's not forget about the resort accommodations. Imagine waking up to the sound of birds chirping and waves gently lapping against the shore, all from the comfort of your private resort. Whether you choose a Hilton Hawaiian village or a secluded boutique resort, you'll find yourself immersed in an experience of rest, rejuvenation, and infinite wonder. Kauai, an island that truly embodies the spirit of aloha. And there you have it, a brief tour of Hawaii's unique islands. We've journeyed from the volcanic wonder of the Big Island, the captivating valleys of Maui, the bustling gathering place of Oahu, to the lush paradise of Kauai. Each island an infinite campus of culture, nature, and resort accommodations like the Hilton Hawaiian Village Waikiki. Whether you're packing your bag for travel nursing, planning a non-stop travel adventure, or seeking a private resort experience, there's a slice of paradise waiting for you in Hawaii. You can even take advantage of travel agency services or Costco travel for a hassle-free planning experience. No matter the time in Hawaii, it's always a good time to explore. So why not start planning your own adventure? Trust me, the news of your trip to Hawaii will be a hit back home. Remember to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future travels. And leave a comment letting me know you subscribed. I'll reply so we can connect. Until next time, stay clever. Hawaii awaits.